Hi, want to know how to turn on or turn off Hey Google on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Google. Click on it and here swipe to this tab which is named All Services. Here we would need to click on this tab which is named Search Assistant and Voice. And here go to this tab which is named Google Assistant. Now to enable the Hey Google, we would need to click on this button Hey Google and Voice Match, and here click on this slider which is currently gray, which means it's disabled. Click on it to do a voice match, so the OK Google command can be recognized by the Google Assistant only, which is saying by your voice. So let's click more, I agree, more, I agree, and now we would need to say some words so the Google Assistant can remember our voice. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And this is it. You can see that our Hey Google is ready. Here you can read some details, click next. And here we can choose if we would like to help Google to improve by sending diagnostic data, but I'll choose not now. And this is it. As you can see, now we have the Hey Google command enabled and you can use it anytime that you need. And now the last question left, how to disable the Hey Google. For that, we would need to go to the same tab, which you can currently see on my screen. Here, click Delete Voice Match Model, click Remove, OK. And we can also disable the feature while driving. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.